Artificial intelligence is a massive topic in this bull market, but a lot of these projects are doing a lot of gimmicky things and they're not really doing anything that's right and is infrastructure based. That's why I want to bring you this project today, because it is a fantastic layer on the blockchain that is specifically catered to AI. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice, but this is a project that I'm really liking and I cannot wait to show it to you. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this is Axone. Axone is a decentralized AI orchestration layer shaping collaboration in AI development. What this means is they're essentially using a layer on the blockchain specifically dedicated to true decentralized AI, allowing you to connect builders, data, infrastructure, and enabling fair value distribution and efficient resource coordination. It provides the backbone for decentralized AI ecosystems, promoting scalable and equitable AI workflows. Now, if you want to check this out, guys, then definitely go into the description. But the main point here, guys, with this project is most AI systems and protocols out there right now are very centralized. They are limiting innovation, and the collaboration is very one-sided. And this is mainly because of platforms like OpenAI with APIs out there that people just stamp on to their blockchain projects and essentially call their project AI. Unfortunately, this is not how we want blockchain to go. We want blockchain to be fully decentralized. We want to train the AIs using blockchain infrastructure, and this is what this project does allow. So Axone essentially solves this by decentralizing the orchestration process, breaking down silos, and empowering builders to collaborate seamlessly on one layer. And the reason why I like this project is because it is really for everyone. We can see here on the website that it is actually providing for the founders, for the service providers, for the data providers, and for delegators. Okay, so essentially what this means is you can have a bunch of different entities all training one AI, all going towards one particular goal seamlessly with a protocol without any middleman, and essentially allows people to put in a lot less power for a unified result using the blockchain, using decentralization. And because it is on the blockchain, essentially what Axone does really well is it keeps it transparent, it keeps it minimalistic, and it just keeps it accessible for everyone. And they do this with a very neat infrastructure on their layer system, as you can see here, right? So they've got their app layer, which is more for the smart agents, more on the front end side of things for the mainstream, for the retail users that just want an end product and want to use AI. But then they have the middle layer and the base layer, which is more for the devs, allowing for easy building on this blockchain. Now, all of this is powered by the Axone native utility token. And what this does, this essentially allows for governance so you can have a say in Axone's future. Again, using that decentralized nature to not have anything monopolized, not have anything that's too one-sided when it comes to the future of the project. So if you do invest in the project and you do have the token, then you're going to have a say in where the project goes, how it is managed, and essentially you will be sculpting the future of this project. They also have a fee structure where if people are using and building on this chain, then you're essentially going to get compensation from holding the token and helping power this entire system. They also have liquidity incentives where you could essentially just stake your Axone, make sure you are in there and help market make with the automated market makers, essentially providing liquidity, right? And then you're going to be earning from that volatility of the market. So yeah, just some fantastic use cases for this token. But for me, this is just one side of the system. Obviously, the fact that these guys are really going for the infrastructure layer on AI in the blockchain is something that's massive, and it's something that's super appealing to AI investors. They're definitely doing something unique here when it comes to AI in blockchain. In terms of partners, guys, we can see that they're linked up with Cosmos. They've got Jackalon here. These are big names in the crypto space. So fantastic to see this project already partnering with these big names. It's definitely going to help them in the long run when you are talking about partners of this size. And if we scroll down to the bottom here, we can see that they are backed by some massive venture capitalist funds out there as well. We can see Outlier Ventures, we can see Axone, we can see Chainlayer, just to name a few of the massive names behind this project. But let's check out the socials here just to see how early we are in this project. Obviously, we don't want the followers to be so low where the project's not going to gain traction, but we don't want it to be so high where we might be potentially late to the project. So let's just check this out. We can see that they have just under 20k followers. This for me is perfect. This shows that they do have that traction, they do have that momentum, but they also have the engagement to back that up as well, right? So definitely a project with a lot of steam here, a lot of fuel to go the distance. And again, just the idea for this project alone is fantastic. Just being the glue that holds the AI in blockchain together, being that infrastructure that does support all of the artificial intelligence across the decentralized net. Another noteworthy point here is they have actually partnered with Cat AI. This is a massive project already, and essentially what these guys do, they allow you to train AI simply by sharing AI generated cat photos, right? So it sounds kind of ridiculous, but these guys are massive already, and just the whole generative AI scene right now is absolutely popping off. So having that kind of meme element, having that fun element in your project is fantastic for the infrastructure, and again, they're going to help train those AIs, get the data behind them, and essentially grow the project from that point. So in summary here, guys, Axone is an infrastructure orchestration layer on the blockchain that essentially allows you to interact with AI compatibility just across the entire blockchain ecosystem. This is going to be great for holding all of that AI together. It's going to be great for supporting other AI protocols, but these guys are really just going to act as that main layer where all of the AI will happen across the blockchain. Axone is leading the way in building a decentralized AI ecosystem that fosters innovation and democratizes access to AI development. By creating a seamless orchestration layer, Axone is redefining the boundaries of what's possible in decentralized AI collaboration. If you want to learn more about this project, guys, then definitely check it out in the description. Definitely go to their website, Axone.xyz, or head over to their socials like we showed here. Give them a follow and definitely keep this coin on your radar, because I think this thing has absolutely massive potential. That's going to be it from me, guys. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video.